The big item for today is the box set of the Darth Maul lightsabers, and this box is so beautiful. We have Maul here on the front, some of his markings. There's a lot of Arabic on the side, so we have one saying here, and then if we turn it around, it says, "At last we will reveal ourselves to the Jedi." And then on the other side, I didn't decode this, but I assume it says, "At last we will have our revenge." So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look inside. All right, let's slide it open. It plays music, guys. Listen to this. How cool is that? Oh my God. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. I love it. Look at the LED lights all around it. So here is your authenticity card, number 732 out of only 7,000 made. And look at the sabers, you guys. Oh my God. With the music playing, that is just too epically good. All right, let's go ahead and get these out and take a look at them. This thing is so beautiful, guys. The detailing is really nice. And for Legacy sabers, it's actually really slim for the Maul. All the detailing on here is absolutely beautiful. The emitter side, I really love. You have this kind of brushed kind of metal on there with the high gloss chrome and then more of a brush finish on here. If I do dare say, I think I like these aesthetically more than my neopixel ones. And I never say that about Legacy sabers. But this is absolutely beautiful, guys. Definitely a saber you should pick up if you are able to. In here in the case too, you have, if you want to separate these, you'll have your end caps you can go ahead and put on the bottom with your Allen wrench in here to take care of all of that so you can have them separated as well.
Catch more of the new May 4th merch and surprise releases by watching our full Star Wars Day vlog. There's even a surprise character appearance. See you there!